Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Guys, today we need to discuss about how to call one job to another job. Guys, last class we discussed about how to deploy WAR file using Jenkins pipeline, right? That we already discussed about last class, previous class. I have shared that Jenkins pipeline code also. This is the Jenkins pipeline script that I already explained how we can use this script to deploy our WAR file, our Tomcat application. Like we did the day CACD both, how to clone that and how we can build and how to deploy using one server to another server, right? So same way today we need to discuss about this script, like how we can restore our Tomcat application using second job. Actually, you know that, right? We are calling today topic is, so we need to call once this CACD deployment is done, then we can call to second job. That second job it will restart the Tomcat. That we can use this script to do it. Okay, so that we can use this script. Okay, first of all, let start the my Jenkins. Guys, I am highly recommending. Please go through previous calls if you are not following the how we are deploying previous class using Jenkins pipeline. Then you cannot understand this class. So why I am saying we are calling same one more stage of triggering to another job. So that's why I'm saying please go through the previous video, then understand the Jenkins pipeline. I have already explained this Jenkins pipeline in previous class. Please understand that first, then you can come to this second class. This is second class. This we are doing how to call one Jenkins job to another Jenkins job using pipeline. Okay, we are working this today. So let me try to start the my Jenkins. 8080 slash Jenkins. Okay, let me, I think I forget username. Let me try this. If you are not working, then we can restart. Oh, Tulasi Kumar. I forget the username password. Let me try one more. Okay, this is also not working. Sorry. I think I forget the username password. Okay, fine. We can reset the password. This one more lesson. We can learn this also, no issue. Then how we can do, how to delete the Jenkins. And the Jenkins credential. How to read the enter git credential. How to reset the admin username password. Slash lib Jenkins config.xml. Okay, we need to search config.xml now. Let me go to that server. Okay, I'm in this server. Let me check 79. Okay, I'm in the same server. Now I need to search what is my user. Okay, my user is Sunnati. Now I'm inside user. Let me search, find slash name config.xml, right? My config.xml is this one. Let me go here, go to this and open config.xml. So here in use security is there, right? Here we need to change false, then my password got reset. Let me change that false. Here you can see, right, now it is true. Now authentication is happening. Once we change the false, now we can restart our Jenkins. So I'm running var file, so I need to restart my Tomcat. That should be fine. Application, go to bin, and I'm going to shut down. Now check the URL. Where is that URL? So my Jenkins is down now. Let me start. Now I started. Now check the authentication is happening or not. Let me check now. It is refreshing automatically. So now it is starting the Jenkins. We can wait for until. So see, my authentication is removed now. Okay, this how we can restart the password. Once you face any issues, you can try that. Okay, so that day which job we tried, I think CACD Tomcat Retros Tomcat stages. Let me go inside and check it. I think this is not our job. Let me check this pipeline. I think this is the job. Okay, we can do one thing. I have another Jenkins also. So here it is already there. So we can do one thing. We can create one job. There we can try to do it. I think this one. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, it is already there. Let me refresh. Okay, it is there. Go to CACD. Okay, here my first job is running. 31. Now IP got changed. Let me check. Okay, private IP we have added, fine, no issue. 31, it is running fine, and it is cloning, and it is building where file, and it is creating target, and it is checking. Let me try. We can start this. Let me try it is working or not. Cloning, it is happening. Maven build. Okay, this is working. Now we can do one thing. We can create one job. Just tomcat restart. We can create freestyle job and go to create. Here we can do one thing. Where restrict, we can use our slave name. Where is what is our slave name? SLAV, I think. Okay, this is our slave. We have added that, and directly we can go to build and execute shell. We can add this script. We can go and copy the Jenkins. I am just copying this code only. I am not doing anything in this Jenkins. Okay, we can select parameter is also choice parameter. No issue, we can do that. I'm just copying. Okay, where I need to paste, here I need to paste. Okay, then we can enable parameters, choice parameter we can enable. I will explain this script, no issue, why we are adding this parameter. Choice parameter we have added. Tomcat restart, dollar tomcat restart, dollar tomcat restart. Okay, let me explain this script first. So this is my script, right? Here it is the function where we need to call the path. So I'm creating the one restart on script. So I have added the tomcat path. That tomcat path where I have added here. This path I'm going to inside. After this path I'm going to bin. Here I have written shutdown.sh and startup.sh. I have added sleep in 5 minutes. Both are it will happening. So handling this one if statement, this already if it is tomcat is running, right, then it will call directly, uh, then it will go to directly this one, and then it will restart automatically. Okay, after restarting you can I have created choice parameter, right? This choice parameter, like whatever I have selected in build with parameters. So where is the build here? Whatever I have selected build with parameters. So if I selected ccpl, it will call this path, ccpl call path, and if I added tomcat pl, now it will call this path, twl tomcat twl path. If I call this one, it will call this path, and if I call this one, then it will go to the this path. Okay, then restart path is this one. After build, tomcat path is will select first till here, then after bin it will go, then it will start it. Okay, got it. I think it is fine. We can try one first time in manually. Let's see, is there any issues? Okay, fine. Tomcat is started, but shutdown is some issue. That should be fine. Maybe my Tomcat is not running. Let me open slave. Let me check slave mission. This is my slave mission. Let me connect. Okay, fine. It is started or not? How I can define? Why it is failing? I will show you. Under the web apps, I haven't deployed anything. This where file some issue. It is running root. So this where file some issue. That's why it is. Let me remove this permission issue. I need to go root. Let me use sudo. Okay, done. Fine, no issue. Today our concept tip, we are not deploying any WAR file, so deployment is CI/CD is done in previous class. You can go through that. Today concept is how to call one Jenkins job to another Jenkins job. So I am going to this Jenkins job. Previously we used Jenkins CI/CD. So there, what I can do, let me open duplicate tab so you can understand better. So in one tab I'm going to dashboard, and second one I'm going to this script Jenkins pipeline. Here that day I committed last stage, right? Now I'm removing that. So here what this stage can do, this stage triggering the child job. This after till here copying deployment is success, then it is calling to one of the child job. That child job we just created in Tomcat restart. So this Tomcat restart name, job name, we just take the job name and add the job name here. So waiting period, if you required, once the job is completed, it will trigger like 1 or 2 second waiting period, that you can add it true. So it will happen once this job is completed, then it will trigger whatever your child job is there, right? In job it will take that job and it will trigger it automatically. So we can see now how it is going to do. I showed you, right, this job just now I run, it is working, only copying var file and instance. Now we added one more stage, calling to second job. This is second job. Here only it is running. First build we did manually. Now let's see how this Jenkins job is handling automatically. Now I'm starting this Jenkins CI/CD job. I'm not starting Tomcat restart job. Tomcat is still on build. Now I'm starting Jenkins CI/CD job. Let's see how it is happening. Okay, now I started. Cloning is happening. Deployment is done. Now see scheduling to Tomcat restart. This is the second job. Now we can go for second job. Let's refresh here. See, second job is started. I haven't touched anything. By default it is taking second stage and stage is completed. Now we can see refresh here. My Jenkins job is success. So this is how we can call one job to another job using Jenkins file. Okay, this script I will share my GitHub, guys, then you can follow it how to restart the Tomcat. If you want you can use it. You can use any script, that is not an issue. The not this Tomcat restart, you can use any script. Then like today our concept is we need to call one job to another job. The second job is running any deployment application, that is not an issue. You can take any job, any script, any deployments. So you need to call one job is complete, you need to call second job using to this Jenkins pipeline. This Jenkins pipeline also I have already pushed my GitHub, so in there it is committed. This script that day I have pushed this script. Now again I will do what I can do again. I will add this script also here in this Jenkins pipeline. This is Tomcat restart script. I just mentioned Tomcat restart file. So if you want you can use this script for practice purpose, or if you want you can use another script also. There is a this is the my GitHub URL. This GitHub URL I will add in description, and I will remove these stages. These three stages we required for building the child job. So I will change the name, deploying one triggering one job to another job using Jenkins pipeline. We can use triggering one job to another job using Jenkins pipeline. Okay, this is the name of the script. I will share this script in GitHub, Bitbucket, same URL. I will add description also. Then you can try to complete this, try to practice this. Then you can understand how it is triggering one job to another job, how it is calling automatically. Okay guys, that's it today class. Then tomorrow we can go for AWS classes. We can discuss about that. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.